Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 2 minutes, so I'll pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I'm looking to buy a call option here. So buy at 97. I'm watching that number, and I want to see that number drop down to 97, go slightly below, which would allow me to buy. And then that white line there would turn from white to green, meaning I have been able to buy. So white means trying to buy. Green means I have been able to buy. And I am doing options. If you don't know what options are or are intimidated by them, because I know sometimes I have a complicated reputation, but they don't need to be complicated. Just comment below option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through how they work, all that. I like to approach things in more of a straightforward way. So that's how I like. If you like to approach things in straightforward ways, then I'm confident that guide can help you out and will help you out. So like I said, just comment below option guide. So it's starting to get somewhat close. I'll pause and I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 57 here for a put. Again, 57 for a put. I will pause and we'll see if it wants to come up a bit more. Have an order at 77 here. Nope, I'm going to cancel that out. Set on the bid a bit too long without getting filled, and I don't like when that happens. All right, I'll pause and try to find a new plan here. Have an order at 97 here. Oh, that was the move I wanted, did not give it to me. So got to readjust. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 91. Did not fill me, so I got to cancel that out. Look for a breakout at this point. I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 117. In at 117 for a put. And just sitting on the offer. And out there for $300. So finally got one. It's 11:05, 95 minutes. And sometimes when, you know, it's 95 minutes. But it's me, you know, out hanging with the kids, my kids, you know, just doing random stuff, maybe just going and grabbing some coffee and hanging out and talk with my, you know, just, you're not at the computer for the 95 minutes straight, but that's not the situation here. I've been at my computer for 95 minutes, so I feel very mentally worn down. It feels like it's been such a long day, and it feels like, but to think that that was literally my first trade, it's kind of bonkers. Now, I guess on the bright side of things, that trade lasted all of 14 seconds. So 14 seconds for that amount, I'll take it. But yeah, just a bizarre day. Granted, the spreads are bigger than normal, so that, you know, adds to the challenges of things. But yeah, it's just and I like to get one more, but maybe that's crazy on my part. I think I definitely want to be done by 11:30. That'd be 2 hours, and I mean that's always my goal. You know, usually 90 minutes would be, 60 minutes would be really preferable, but 2 hours is even pushing it. But if I can get another one, maybe I'll take it. But there we go. I am on the board finally. Have an order at 97. I've got to cancel that out. Let's adjust a little bit here. There we go. Yep, 97 looks good there. Double chalking, yep, there we go. Ah, well, my entry was off. Bounced right off that white line, but didn't quite have where the entry point needed to be. We'll give it another try. Again, watching that number here, I want to see that drop down to the 97 mark, and then to see that white line turn green. All right, I'll pause. All right, got 11 minutes left. 11 minutes. Would like to pick up a put around this area here, but it's really just a question of, does the price want to head up there? Maybe even a call down in this area of the chart, but that remains to be seen. But 11 minutes, and then I am calling it good. All right, I even not really broke a rule, but it just goes to show how kind of irritated I am. It's 11:45, so I've stayed an extra 15 minutes, and I still can't quite get anything. So I just need to be done, because now I'm actually irritated, which means the likelihood of a force trader imagining things or making exceptions. You know, have you ever used this as a trader? These two words, good enough. I've lost track of how many times those two words, good enough, have gotten me into trouble as a trader, because that's all that represents, is bending the rules, bending the requirements you have for a setup. If you start to say, good enough, close enough, that'll be just fine, you know. So then that's what I'm starting to do. So I just need to be done. And yeah, I mean, $300, I'll take it. Was hoping for more, was wanting more, but yeah, it's just been a strange morning, and one that now has me irritated. And that's not, at least for me. Maybe you're very good at trading in an irritated state. If you are, I am jealous of you. I'm very jealous of you. But for me, I am not able to trade with a clear mind if I'm irritated like I am feeling right now. So I need to just call it good. So I think I'll put it ending irritated. Maybe that's what I'll title this video. But anyways, thank you for watching. Again, if you want to learn more about options, comment below option guide, and I will link you to the free class. And if you want to learn more about how I'm making my decisions with this, how I'm managing risk, and how I'm building consistency and all that, the tools that I'm using, then just comment, or excuse me, not comment below. I mean, you can comment below, please do. But if you're interested in more of kind of what I'm using here to make my decisions, I do offer a free webinar, which I'm going to change to a new video right now and tell you more about how you can get signed up. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.